As we discussed in the previous tutorial, the ablative is a versatile case which can take many different meanings, usually translated into English with a prepositional phrase. In this tutorial, we will talk about the ablative of accompaniment, which is used in order to identify the person or people together with whom something is taking place. In English, we might say, "The girl is playing with her dog," or "Mom is having tea with her aunt." In Latin, this particular use of the ablative requires the preposition cum, which can be translated as with, together with, in company with, or sometimes even in conflict with. In fact, although the preposition normally indicates a friendly with, sometimes it's used with words of contention in the sense of against. Here are some examples. Cum omnibus copiis pugnant. Romani cum Gallis pugnant. When used with a personal pronoun, the preposition cum will be enclitic. Me cum venite, not cum me. Libenter laboro vobiscum, not cum vobis. Occasionally, this ablative with preposition is seen also with words describing things, almost as if personalized. Gladii cum telis in agro errant. Crassus cum febri domum rediit. Corpus eius in flumine cum lorica aurea invenerunt. We should also be aware that the preposition cum can also be used in the ablative of manner, but this will be covered in the next tutorial. Let's see a few sentences using the ablative of accompaniment. Cum amicis venit. Incolae cum finitimis pugnant. Ea filia cum patre habitabat. Aec ego cum philosopis ipsis disserebam. Non viribus at celeritate corporum magna gessimus, sed cum fidelibus amicis. Bellum geram aeternum, cum perniciosis civibus. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.